goal with this activity is to really work the abs. Here's what you're gonna do. Set up in an ab wheel position right here. So for that, I'm gonna press my feet and my knees down. I'm gonna exhale, push the chest away without crunching. And then from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna inhale, I'm gonna go out and then to the side, just like so. So here's the vector that I'm traveling, like that. Exhale, bring it back. Alternate to the other side, or just do all one side depending on what you're looking for. So that's the angle with which we'll be traveling. Keys on the ab wheel portion as you go out here. I'm gonna keep that knee and foot pressure, and I wanna keep that reach long as I go. So I don't wanna lift the knees up or sag down like that. So from here, inhale out the side, exhale back. Should be a lot of abs. One more. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.